need to do my makeup. Let's not talk about my skin, okay? Let's leave it. But anyways, I'm gonna get copyrighted, but we need to do my makeup. We're running behind time. I need to also steam my cardigan for a client and package it, okay, because we don't have time. So let's quickly run that down. Let's run that down quickly. I'm gonna see you guys when I have my makeup on. So let's
it's never over until life ends. Lay down beside me, do it again. It's never over until life ends. Yeah, lay down beside. Don't be a fool, baby. I know you changed. It's in my nature.
I'm sorry.
Hey guys, don't wear wigs. Wigs are for the baddies. Well, not baddies, we're stinkies. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, hi Stinky, welcome back. I hope you're still staying stinky, and that's on. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mtemeli, and I am a content creator who focuses on lifestyle, fashion, and hair. If you're loving the vibe, don't forget to like, comment, and if you want to join my cult, just subscribe. Very good, very nice. Just joking, this is not a cult now, we believe in God. So yeah, we're at the tasting room, which is in 4 ways, and I'm currently waiting for Vanessa's sister to come, Lynette, and then Vanessa's on her way, I think, but we're having a surprise party for Vanessa, and yeah, I hope she's gonna be surprised, and I hope she knows that I hope she's gonna be surprised, you know, because my sister kind of worked hard for this. I didn't work for anything, I just paid the money and showed up, you know what I'm saying? But like, yeah, I hope she's gonna be surprised and stuff. I will probably talk to you guys. Sis, I'll talk to you guys later. If I even talk, I'll probably just be so busy helping my sister around. I might be shy, and I forgot my tripod. Like, wanyana or content creator key tripod, and I forgot my tripod. How do the barriers do this? How do they survive with a wig that's flying in their lip gloss every 2 seconds? But anyways, I'm wearing this wig of mine, and then I think I can't even obviously the clip-ons, guys, because you know I don't have piercings.
Everything I do, they wanna do. They wanna do. Everything I say, they wanna say. They wanna say. Everything I do, they wanna do. They wanna do. Everything I say, they wanna say. They wanna say. Ungakhuluma punches. Mina I'm double HP and thrombus. Nafukwa party is on 6. I skis or the miss, no best. We don't mix. I'm up to my old tricks. Bazwil, sidli lunch and sakumzil. With Betty's, sploming no pell, no pomzil. Bafil, I can hear you, ngisazok zip. Imali yakho, isazok ncepe yamanje. Sham swenko wamanje, kwamanje. Turn up yangempela kwamanje. Everything I do, they wanna do. They wanna do. Ungasal, yenza imali, ungakhali uzosala, ungasala, sikutshani, hey wena ngithi sikutshani, sham swag, ngithi sham swag, hey wena ungasala, yenza imali, ungakhali uzosala, ungasala, sikutshani, hey wena ngithi sikutshani, sham swag, ngithi sham swag.
Boss lonke akanandaba unehaba kwamashu nasemlazi umswenko bayama.
We have a haul. At what cost? Because what do you mean I spent 900 rand on wool? Wool is expensive. Anyways, let's get the ball rolling. So yesterday I went to the wool warehouse and then I got this wool, this one for a pair of shorts. I got this one, I opened it and I've already used up 2. I need to finish the rest. This is for a cardigan. Yes. I can't even lie, as much as I spent all that money, I don't even feel a thing. I don't even feel like I spent a lot of money because it is covered in the costs of what people buy when they buy my stuff. So I got this purple. And I got this pink in the shade pink. And then I got this blue. This burnt orange. I got like a bunch of like the cognac color, like we're all with the big dogs only.
Okay.
It's a light green, so pretty. This blue, I've had it a while. I got it a while back. Kiddo. In this color, okay. Okay, I don't want to lie to you guys, they don't have a purpose. These two, I just got them because I'm obsessed with yarn, and there's an alarm that's going off, I'm so sorry, but I'm obsessed with yarn, so I was like, let me buy myself these two colors because they just look pretty. These are gonna be for personal projects. I like collecting different colors of yarn just because why not? So that's exactly what I did. So I'm gonna just keep these, I guess, and whenever I find a project, I'm probably gonna make something with this. Yeah.
Give a nigga a break. Give a nigga a break.
And then I got these two bad boys. A darker green and olive. Oh, I love this. Banana. This light yellow in the color crocus. The size of my head. My head is very small. Color yesterday, I saw this color called milky. Yo. I was this close to buying it. Yo. Okay, so unfortunately I ran out of storage, so I will probably record later.
Much later.
Break down the barrier. So, inkinga is we are late as always, and so my parents were there sitting, laughing, enjoying breakfast. They were eating, enjoying, laughing, eating breakfast. Now today they're fighting. They're saying we want to get in. Understand?
Be careful.
It's not looking good.
And how do you?
Mama is fighting for her life. Yeah, she's saying it's not fair. Yeah, I've been paying for school fees, feeding the school with money, and now you want to lock me out like I'm trying to steal something. Sitting in traffic since 7:30, and still they weren't even allowed in when they arrived on time.
Hey. that.
I feel overwhelmed. Very overwhelmed.
Guys, it is Battle of the Bands today. We're here and it's becoming very rowdy. It's becoming very ghetto. We're seeing the nurses are fighting against the civil engineering students and it's just very chaotic. We don't know why they're fighting, but they're fighting clearly.
News reporter.
Period.
It's not looking good, folks. It's not looking good. No one, babe. I don't know who to dance with, the nurses or the engineers. The nurses! Wow, 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 wow.
Awukhonahali.
Yeah, I said no, congratulations.
How do you feel? Do you feel bonita? You don't feel anything?
What do you gain from that?
It was a long journey, okay?
Pop champagne. Sabano sema sababse. Sabano sema sababse. Sabano sema sababse. Pop mapashela pop champagne. Zigga 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 zigga
That's gay.
Guys, I think I want to resign from my position.
Yeah, man.
My feet are painful.
1 hour later.
My feet are killing me.
Yeah, this is a real death. This is a real death. This is a real death.
Unfortunately, we have to go back to Pretoria, so bummer.